Hey yo, what's up? What's good? What's happening, man? Welcome to the Zero Chills podcast, where we give no
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey yo, what's up? What's good? What's happening, man? Welcome to the Zero Chills podcast with me, Vibes Kibera, of course. And the guy here who's kwani cat got your tongue. Si useme jina yako.
Hauko na go the whole thing with M to the Y to the V karapum pum mwenyewe. Bonge la
Vibes Kibera Maji ya Vyombo, episode number 1.
Number 1.
Zero Chills podcast.
Iko nini?
Where we give no fucks.
Bana, zero fucks given. Hapana tambua mtu hapa mtu.
Exactly.
Kuna mama ya mtu hapa.
Before we do anything, actually speaking about zero fucks, man, we have to talk about guys giving zero fucks to fucking teenagers, man. Way too many teenage pregnancies in Kenya. It's the only thing in the news. Kwa gazeti. Kila siku unaangalia tu chicks sijui Machakos, 4,000 chicks pregnant. Sijui wapi.
There was this guka who impregnated like a whole village of teenagers. You saw that story?
Alikuwa anasema his reason was ana replace wale watu wa
madora corona. Mimi nakwambia. Check hizi vitu tunatumia tuache. Tafadhali tupunguze. It's not good. You can't be giving some vague reasons
for bad behavior. Ratchet behavior.
Ratchet behavior.
You're only bad manners, man.
Bad
what you talking about, bro?
Bad Joe.
Don't be fucking kids, man.
Yes.
But anyway, seriously speaking, man, really huge crisis we're having in Kenya right now. Teenage pregnancies zimekuwa mad, and I'm wondering what the fuck is going on, man. Like ni watoi wana watoi ama ni
unajua, let me put it to you. Let me give it to you 100. Unashika point ni we are here busy blaming ati sijui the boda riders the predators. Bro, we need to check our teenagers. We need to actually sit our teenagers down and check their behavior and check their movements and actually tell them, yo, this shit is real, bro.
Tuliza nyege.
Cheza chini.
Unakumbuka ukiwa high school.
Right now, high schoolers are getting
not
more
going anywhere.
Bana,
still gonna be there when you're done with school.
High schoolers are getting more pussy than college dudes. For real. Statistics. Mimi nakwambia wanachangamsha huko nje.
Bana.
Yo,
who do we blame? Do we blame the shorties? Do we blame the guys? Because at the end of the day, man, it's also not rape.
Let me ask you something.
I know I'm gonna get
let me ask you something. Wacha kuuliza kitu Vibes. Before hata hii corona ianze, watu wengi walikuwa na mamioto. Kweli ama uongo?
Genge to.
Walikuwa na mamioto. As in, you see this situation where like 50 ama 40 students wanachukua basi moja. And what goes in there, bro?
Wanaficha mangwelo.
Bana, you understand? So now they've been given a whole holiday, a whole year of holiday. Hakuna supervision. Unashika, the paro is out here trying to hustle. Akuje na mboga jioni. Mtoia na hustle kitu ngine hapa hivi serious. You understand? Ati sijui akisipenda kwa kila kevo. Yani wanakuanga na mafoma hata kotoliko.
Why is it always kevo though? Like
inakuanga ni kevo.
Normalize kevo kwa predators na hiyo si poa.
Ni kevo inakuanga tu ni kevo mabrayo.
Is it madem wana predator wana prey on maboy ama ni maboy wana prey on madem?
Nyege za madem saizi ziko juu kuliko za maboy.
So to blame madem.
Madem ndio bra wacheze chini.
Ulicheki yule lawyer alikuwa anasema mwambie hiyo kitu iko hapo lakini hautalamba.
You know why I'm saying it's actually bitches who are horny.
Why do you keep calling them bitches though? Like show some respect, man. They're called women.
Females. Sawa.
Honeys, shorties.
Unajua this other gender why they are more horny than us?
Yeah.
It's because ukiangalia hata if you see this exposés inafanywa huko Luthuli Avenue, like the brothels and everything else. Unashika ni mama nani but mchana ako huko hivyo anatafuta kijana hivi ampatie nini. You understand? You understand the whole point? The whole point is it comes down to the institution of the relationship. Watu wao wapatii miti vizuri. So they have to look somewhere else. Unashika? They're not actually looking for money alone. They're actually looking for all that satisfaction pia. Bro, watu wenye unachekia mahasla wanakuanga na miti, wanakuanga na kuni, bro. They bring it like they bring
broke nigga energy.
Broke nigga energy. These rich ass niggas wanakulanga. Unacheki venye wanakulanga chakula. Ati sijui nimeshiba. Hivyo ndio wanakulanga pia. I swear ati ni maskini nimechoka.
But serviette. I'm good.
So you understand? When an Islando nigga msije kutoka Pumua ama huko hivyo Kariobangi unashika ashike kidudu imeoga hivi imejipanga bro. Move scenes unashika. So point is ukipatiwa kitu moja huwezi patiwa hiki kitu kingine. You can't be given everything else. You understand? So you may have money ndio but your game is work. Why very many females cheat in relationships is because their boyfriends don't give them game like they are supposed to give them game.
But are you speaking this from facts ama ni like vitu unafikiria?
Facts bro, facts on the ground bana. Facts mimi nakwambia these bitches are not satisfied sexually. Endo ulize. Ebu by the way comment on hapa hivyo chini. Rusha comment if you're a lady and you're frustrated to hata kusema
hakuna definition. Hi, my name is Jane. My boy. Not frustrated sexually.
A problem shared is a problem solved.
Half solved.
Kitu kaa hiyo. I heard it somewhere. Unajua?
Arkeli alisema ladies if your nigga ain't hitting it right, call the number on the screen.
Call the number on the screen. Siya tutaki sijui till number.
Drop pin location.
Pin location. Drop your location hapo. We have a service. Na kuletea hapo hivyo jamaa.
Kuna topic umeleta nilikuwa nataka tuongelee actually. Umesema broke nigga energy.
Broke nigga energy.
Mazema demo ameanza kulenga broke niggas man. Like yo broke nigga dick matters man. Out of the Black Lives Matters.
Unajua
the
point ni hivi. Broke niggas unajua wapatiwi love, wapatiwi pussy or any consideration. Tumeingia mimi na naongelea hiyo squad.
Umesema niko directly affected. Broke niggas hawapatiwi love.
No, but it's the truth.
Yeah, facts, true.
The fact is, if you're not given attention or love or pussy or
sex
anything,
toys bado ni expensive.
Nani expire Buddha? You understand?
No love for broke niggas.
You understand? So, as in, we should normalize casual lungula. So you can put your point.
Regardless of financial.
If that nigga make you happy, give that nigga pussy. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Hata kama si boyfriend yako, if that nigga make you happy, give that nigga pussy. It is what it is.
Vyombo gems.
Liquid logic. Mimi nakwambia. Take that to the bank anytime.
Advice to all the broke niggas cause
all the broke niggas, check it.
What do you do?
Let me talk to the bitches. The females.
Shories.
The shories.
Mamas.
The mamacitas.
Senoritas.
Point ni hivi. Kama unatafuta kuni. Miti.
Hey man, that sounds so raw.
Kuni ama miti ama if you want to get a good
Julubeng.
You understand? If you want to get a good, look for a dark nigga, a broke dark nigga actually.
Why do I feel like you're describing yourself? A broke dark nigga called Majia Vyombo.
Take it. Unajua leo amekula maisha. Akipata hiyo nini hiyo chance haizi ya kuangusha. Unashika these cool kids they see these things every day, so they are not like that excited. A nigga who hajaona hiyo kitu like
repeat that sentence one more time.
To a female, someone siwaite nini,
usiite bitches, females.
I don't call them bitches. I should not say bitches.
Honeys. There's so many words before you get to bitches. But anyway, you know, just call them what you want to call them.
Bana, these females, let me tell you something by the way. Females wamechukulia maanani ama wamepatiana priority maganji kuliko orgasm.
Facts.
You understand?
Facts.
Unashika?
Facts.
So however you dig good bro, kama una kakiru yeye utapiga utanyonga tu uko peke yako.
Take me to Milan.
You understand? So nothing makes a girl's pants wetter than money. It is what it is.
French Montana alisema she see the Bugatti.
Yeah.
That pussy is okay.
Unashika point yangu.
Fact.
That is
but
the fact of the matter. So actually si ati wanalengwa. Ni standards.
No, what's the
angalia hata kwa Animal Kingdom. Ni animal gani na kuanga na right ya kumate na the whole females in the alpha male. They have to earn that right ya unashika. So wewe na kifua yako hivi na six pack zako unapeleka wapi? Ndio huja earn right ya yote.
But the funny thing is rich bitches rich ladies wanna fuck rich niggas. Poor ladies wanna fuck rich niggas. Like, what the fuck? You know?
Unajikanika huko hivyo kwa bash. Mademu wote wanaendea wananikujia sasa. Hadi unashindwa. Haya.
Kwa hii scenario when the rich nigga.
Ai, mimi ndio.
Okay, when the cool kid mimi ndio Islando.
For instance, unashika. So basically, the rich bitches want to fuck the rich niggas. The broke bitches are looking for rich niggas.
Alafu niggas just wanna fuck anything.
Niggas just wanna fuck anything that moves. Kill it. Hey, you can be surprised at what a female can do because of money. Bro.
Hey, bro.
I've seen things.
Yo.
I've seen things.
Fam.
Movies, bro. Movies. So basically, my point is, these broke niggas have nothing to offer but stamina. And they bring it. Bro, they bring it. Let's get your story.
Hard.
All
day, all night.
All day, all night. Unasema nini?
I got nothing to do.
Ati kama Colgate sasa kidogo ati me I want to cuddle. Me I want to.
I need to rush to the bank.
Yeah.
I need to go to work.
I need to roll up with my guys kwa nini? Huyu hapa anafunganga. Unajua wanafunga kwanza ya chini. Bro, siku mzima hujamuona.
Nigga ain't got nothing to do.
Anyway, it is what it is. You can't be giving everything unaweza patiwa pesa.
Broke nigga dick matters.
Hey,
that should be a t-shirt.
It should be a movement.
It should be a movement.
Broke nigga dick
nigga dick matters.
Sponyos, they don't bring game.
Bado wanapitia kao.
They're like for like noodles.
Yeah,
like
after they're done with the sponsors, bado wanapitia kao.
Lazima wapitie kao shona OT. Yeah. You see, that is what it is. Unashika. Very many people out here are sexually frustrated in their marriages, in their relationships, but they can never say a word. Ili wakufe wakijua tu ni ngori.
If your man ain't hitting it right, please comment below.
Comment below.
Wrapping it up, advice to honeys and broke niggas.
Broke niggas. You understand? Straight si lazima ustafute doju ya madem rosafi.
Facts.
Juu haitosha na haitaitosheka na hiyo do yako. You understand?
Say that again, man.
Bro, as in just look for money but not for these bitches.
Not for these honeys.
Unashika? Hustle, grind, do everything but not for these bitches. These bitches, what they need to be given is kuni, miti.
Na pia man, rich niggas man, like throw some
plus by the way I'm a bitch unasemanga ati sijui we are independent, then why do you need our fucking money? Wewe kuja hapa nikupige miti rather safi. And don't even ask me for Uber by the way.
Bro, unasound uko personally.
So maji chafu pia uzima moto. Unashika?
Hey, jams man.
This bracket of bitches that have not been handled. Unajua the ugly bitches. Kuna watu pia lazima
that's just a topic on its own.
On its own, man. Hey. Yo, it is what it is. Na by the way pia madem.
Baraiti ugly wanaitwa what's the word? Beautifully disabled.
The ugly bitches hakuna kitu kama beautifully disabled.
Ugly bitches is like broke niggas. Au pia wewe leta hard.
Sindio?
Like wewe leta A game. Cause unajua umse kutoka hapa hakuna mse mwingine ananihala.
Unajua cheki unajua wanaume
wanashika hivyo.
Take it. Men are visual creatures. So if kama hii appeal kutoka nje, bro, itakuwa ngumu sana kwenda tena huko. Unajua? You have to appeal like unajua incentive. So yeah, it is what it is.
But I think men huangalia two thighs na cleavage. It doesn't really matter how good you look.
Wewe unaangalia hizo vitu.
Show some thighs.
Hakuna bana wa Afrika tunaangalia ngama.
As in basically also doesn't really matter.
Ass. God. If you have, let me tell you something by the way. Yes, if you have all the curves in the right places and a big booty, hata kama sura yako inakaa kama ya mlamua. Bro, utaweza. Unajua? Utapata.
You can get it.
You can get it, of course.
All night, all day.
So, it is what it is.
Yo, there's another topic I wanted us to wrap up take before we do this thing. Dating older bitches, man.
That is the ultimate. That is beyond your form. Kusumbua na watu utakulora kichwa hapa bro, utacommit sijui vitu gani.
But are we talking like serious relationship or just kukanyaga?
Any because they know how to play their cards and amtasumbua na Sara story ya do, sijui story ya Uber. Yani it is so sweet and so simple and so mature.
I've experienced this ama unaongea tu from
naongea ni kama mtu anasikia story. Naongea ni kama
personally.
Stakeholder value. So you understand. So basically they are more mature. And it's easier to deal with a mature person. You understand? And I want you to vitu to needs to ufala sijui niko sijui online to chat. Unajua the small bullshit.
Yo, nataka kupitia hivyo kesho 6:30.
Yo, uko wapi? By the way, can we do coffee today? Sawa, I'm coming with unajua a whiskey ama a scotch. Easy to like that.
Unaishi life kama Joey, just driving your bitches Range Rover.
Hivyo tu.
Swiping your bitches ATM card.
Hivyo tu. Unashika?
That's big.
No hustle, no stress, no fucking. These bitches wanakujenga kuliko venye unawajenga. Sema unawajenga na stamina.
But if she's old and she's not smart.
That is also a problem.
Why are you assuming every older chick has
because experience counts for something. Experience counts for something. They may not be smart, but they've seen shit. And they've gone through shit.
Na akikupiga.
Akupiga tena bwana.
Because if she's older, she has more experience in violence. So maybe chali yake previous chali alikuwa boxer, so sahi anajua. Unaweza karao demu yako akikupiga.
Unanipiga aje kwanza?
Piga serious. Mpaka umejifungia kwa bedroom uko like, hello 911. Hey, yo guys, it's been awesome. Thank you for checking this out. Make sure you keep checking out the episodes. Make sure you subscribe.
At Madia Vyombo on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram at Madia Vyombo, MYV.
Video guys, BBC Vibes together all day, every day.